In this legal series, I would like to talk about the National Investigation Agency. National Investigation Agency is shortly called NIA. When it was formed, in 2008, the Mumbai terror attack, it was very famous and very worst and very cruel. In 2008, during the time of the Congress rule, the Mumbai was attacked by the Pakistan-sponsored terrorist. And only one terrorist was caught alive. The person was executed later on under our Indian Act. After that only, the government felt to counter the terrorism and the terrorist activities, there was exclusive agency was needed. That's why National Investigation Agency was formed. The Act, National Investigation Agency Act 2008 was also passed. After that, it takes the people, the service people from Indian Revenue Service, Indian Police Forces. And its main functions are investigation of terrorist activities, counter-terrorism operation, and international cooperation. The NIA, which means the really National Investigation Agency, collaborates with the international law enforcement agencies to combat. The National Investigation Agencies cooperates and collaborates with the international law enforcement agencies for combating the transnational terrorism. Also, money laundering and financing of the terrorism, witness protection, and capacity building. The Act was amended in 2019. After that, all of the authorities and privileges and obligations that apply to police officers in connection with an investigation of any crime apply to the National Investigation Agencies. Also, it has empowered more to the agencies after that the crime committed out of the India, those can be investigated by the National Investigation Agency. Those should be about human trafficking and cyber terrorism, explosive substance, and counterfeit currency also. The National Investigation Agency currently is doing about in the international smuggling and terror funding also. It takes it a more careless in it. It shares more piece of information with RA of India. So now really with the help of the National Investigation Agency, the government can do maximum best to counter the terrorism. Despite it, even after reorganization of the State Act in 2019 in Jammu and Kashmir by the central government, the terrorism that has also have been curbed with the involvement of the National Investigation Agency. This agency is mostly helping to the local agency to curb the terrorism. Now the terrorism has been reduced with the help of the reorganization of the states, and whereby the administration under the Act has been helping more to the NIA. So NIA is the best agency that was formed in India. Thank you.